Hola YouTube.
こんにちは。
Okay, today I'm gonna eat Mexican frijoles, Mexican beans, and then Japanese natto. Japanese natto. Oh, my bad. Sorry. And then I wanna give my opinion about the two different, right? Because they're so similar, Mexican frijoles and Japanese natto. So Mimi, can you prepare my Japanese natto, please? All right. So as you can see, Mexican beans, frijoles. I put a chile in there and then some lime. We Mexican people eat the beans usually with rice, salsa, eggs. So, mm, mm, very delicious.
Natto.
Japanese natto. Se ven como frijoles. They look like frijoles. And Mimi is like preparing them. And one thing that I know about natto is that it's very stinky, right, Mimi? Very stinky. Look at this chili.
Very slimy.
Arigato, Mimi. Arroz con frijoles. Mm, mm. We Mexican people, when we're kids, we grow up eating pretty much frijoles, tortillas, and rice. That's like in every Mexican household. We eat that. And I'm sure Japanese people grow up eating rice and natto, right?
Rice and
Since you're a
natto
kid.
and miso soup.
Yeah, miso soup. So that's embedded in our culture, right? My mom used to cook to me frijoles with eggs every day. Yeah, it's okay. Wow, Mimi. Qué rico, arigato. Wow. And then when I eat my beans, my frijoles, I always have a chile with me. Chile mexicano. Oh, wow. Arigato, Mimi. Okay, I'm gonna try that natto now. Let you guys know how it is. Also, chopstick mustard. Thanks to Mimi.
Enjoy.
Okay. Is that natto? Okay, vamos a comer. Let's do this. Para arriba, para abajo, para adentro. Mm. Mm. No manches. Está bien rico. It is delicious. Mm. Oh my god. Mm. Wow. Very nice flavor. Very tasty. Oh wow. The difference to me, the Mexican frijoles, los frijoles mexicanos, is that the Mexican frijoles are very strong. The taste is very strong. And then the natto to me is soft. That's how I feel it. That's how, comparing the Mexican frijoles. Hmm. Try it, maybe. To that Japanese natto. Yeah. Like the Mexican frijoles are, like the flavor is stronger. What do you think? What's your opinion?
When I ate first time the Mexican dish, this is my husband's mom's recipe. I really like it. Very simple but very flavory.
Yeah. So beans is very easy to cook. We wash them, we wash them just like the rice, and then we boil them. We put an onion, capuchiles, of course, and then garlic, one garlic, and then you just let it boil, but you never let it run out of water. And then like about 1 hour, 2 hours later, you just taste the frijoles, and then the frijoles are gonna be ready. The natto is not something that you cook in home, right? It's something that you buy.
Yes. We can make it at the home, but very kind of hard,
Difficult.
difficult.
Yeah, same with the frijoles. It's not like, you
Any
know,
step there.
yeah. The frijoles we buy them at the store. You can buy them in the can. I don't recommend it. They
No,
just,
have to make from
yeah.
scratch.
To me, they're just not. They're not the same. But hey, if try the canned frijoles. They might maybe they're for you, maybe they're not, but they're not for me. So for me, it's my mom's recipe right here, and then con el chilito.
This is Mexican.
Mm. I ate natto my first time in Hawaii before I met Mimi. I didn't like it. I didn't. I was stinky. I was like, it's gross, right? And then once I got with Mimi, she introduced natto to me again, and I love natto. I can eat natto like every day. Like I love the natto. It's just so rich.
You're
Mm.
also getting better to use the
Right? But yeah. So yeah, I mean, chopsticks is not easy for us Latino people. We don't eat with chopsticks, right? But we have to try. Hasta puedo agarrar huevo. Maybe, mira. What's in Japanese? What's your difference? What's the difference between Mexican frijoles and natto? What do you think?
You told me, say,
But you can speak some Japanese.
oh,
Can you?
そう私が初めてこのメキシカン、日本で言うと、なんだろう、ちょっと甘めの豆かな。黒豆じゃないけど、おせちとかに出てくるちょっと甘めの塩入れてるけど、豆自体がすごくメキシコの豆は甘くて、あんまり豆が潰れるとか、弾けちゃうのをみんな、メキシコの人は気にしないけど、でも弱火でコトコト、旦那さんもさっき言ってたみたいに、見て、ちょっとフレーバー、香りつけるために玉ねぎやこうやってチリも一緒に煮込む。すごく、最初は食べた時最初の感想はなんか、なんて言うんだろう。ただシンプルだなと思ったけど、やっぱ食べ続けると癖になってくる。それと一緒に、向こうの人は、朝ごはんは本当豆とトルティーヤと卵、それにちょっとサルサ入れて、ブリトーみたいに巻いて食べたりする。すごい家庭の味なので、私は今すごく気に入ってます。たまに旦那さんと作って冷凍して、一回にたくさん作って冷凍して、たまに食べてます。
One thing, well, yeah, most Mexican people, what we do is when we eat, we always use a lime. Like we put lime on everything, right? Me, we love lime in chile, salsa, things like that. And then Mimi has an egg in there. What is that for?
ソフトエッグ、
Where are you gonna put it at?
on the rice.
Go ahead.
食べて
Wow. One thing that I learned, about Mimi, she loves to put like the egg like that.
日本語で言うと温泉卵。
Many people wouldn't eat it, but after traveling to Asia, Japan a couple of times, I also eat it and I love it. I love that.
このままメキシコのとミックスしちゃったけど、私は
Wow.
白米とアメリカの卵がやっぱり生では食べられないから、ちょっとこれぐらい作って、醤油かけて、卵を割ってご飯にして食べて。
So my personal opinion is natto or Mexican beans. I can tell you that I love both. I don't have a favorite. Now, both of them are my favorite. I don't have like beans over natto or natto over bean. They're just
50-50。
50-50. They're amazing. I love these little things like natto. If you never tried it, try it. Right? Maybe just rice and then you put the nut on top, and it's very simple.
Sauce is included.
Sauce is included. You just mix the ingredients, and might be for you, might not, but it's worth give it a try. Right? The more you know, the better you are, I guess. Right? So, thank you. for watching our YouTube channel, and please subscribe to our channel. I hope you like this video. And if you have never tried Mexican beans or Japanese natto, like I said, just give it a try. Thank you.